Blossom, for your breakfast.
Yeah, to take a picture.
Guys, we're well taken care of. Look at the goodness. Thank you.
This is my pretty girl. Where's the pretty dog?
No sé what to call him, con light him.
Alright, this picture taking is working.
So,
I'm going to already talk.
let's try Callaloo. Callaloo. Probably 6 years since I ate Callaloo.
Long time like instantly na tin, but me not like how it tastes.
Let me tell you a story about that. So I bought the tin Callaloo and in their yard. I know me not open it. Come here and say this Callaloo cannot taste good.
You know,
I used to eat ackee in a can. You know how here in Jamaica, I was my mouth big and missing. Never ever eat ackee out of a can because that's the danger. And so, yeah, Jamaica pay all €10 for one can. Just for half ackee and see and smelly.
Yeah.
I have to teach me how to make these dumplings. I have to teach me how to make them.
Okay.
But I even do ID talk.
Same, that's mine too. So that means that my internet did run out from Cuba. Because that didn't catch from Cuba.
You can put the internet Wi-Fi close to grab them.
Come on, you do your first bite already? Who cares? Come on, first breakfast in J.
First breakfast is awesome. We have fried dumplings, my favorite, and Callaloo. And it's just delicious, oh my god.
And blue mountain coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Yes, how could we forget?
And we did sleep very good.
Cooler, nice.
Cooler than German. We came to AC, that was not expected.
Yeah, total luxury.
Tell you.
When you say AC, also I almost feel. Oh god. Oh baby, where did you come from?
Breeze.
Very nice thing with the
That was nice, just a minute ago.
That's why I made just because normally here so I'm dining in the kitchen, you know. But me left here is open concept.
Guys, you don't need to come and stay with Miss Blossom in the future. She'll take care of you. So reaction, what you think?
So yummy.
Dumpling them way better than mine. Me tell Blossom so she has to teach me from go up.
And then we have this time also when we expand in Germany, we have so we did so expand. In Germany, we have 60 kilograms.
Can't believe. Even some of my jeans that she used to wear back then can't even fit me. That fish was skinny she used to be.
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, after a couple of years, also we put on weight.
Yes, I don't realize.
But I never like that neither. I don't like it.
Yeah. I said yes,
Yeah, terrible.
But no. Do you think you go back down now?
Yes. But now me come back.
because you're surprised we see last night and it changed because you put on a lot of weight.
That's the last time I came?
Or when you went to England.
Morning, good morning, Gabi. Wir sind hier beim Frühstück. Ich habe keine
Aber
Ahnung.
der Kerl ist aber wir, das sind für 10 years.
But you still the same.
Yes, guys, she speaks German, so they don't know.
Take picture for me pilot. Are you?
Me, yeah, I mean, I take it for security purposes.
Well,
If crash
like what maybe. Please say them a land 2 times quite well. Let me tell you. Oh, and you see one time also when we were in a plane, remember the shaking part also
turbulence.
Pull up on the next seat also the
And the baby in there with the cry.
lately because I was oh please God not know.
Oh gosh. Yesterday was terrible, man. I have to wait 2 hours alone for the plane to leave.
Don't remind me, huh?
Doesn't matter. Now we're here. That's what counts.
Yeah, well. Yeah, we don't even want to repeat that. Guys, maybe next time when we get the story time of flank travel here. Jamaican sweat glands coming out.
It say hot.
But we just feel like
It's a lucky
breeze
thing.
again.
Yeah, because they have it, the windows and everything just
No, I'm just melt off. What do you expect? I mean, I'm new. But still now, no mosquito bite. We never expect that. See, first time I come to Jamaica, so them love me.
And if you
I'm
eat
so
never
happy.
added and bite your fat.
For that, I have a dog.
It's like they, I don't know if they hate the cool, but every mosquito go away. Until they turn it off and they get hot again. Yeah.
So maybe the AC run on me.
No, that's true.
Me too good. Remember, so the little body there is if the little blood where they have is if they hard up. So they can find their corner.
It's just that chocolate with it. They can have a
Wow.
So when I met is serious because plats on swimming pool.
That's all.
Not big like, you know, just.
Yeah, that's all.
No, you always against swimming pool.
And when was the principal of your school? Belinfanti?
Yes, instantly.
Yeah.
I don't even remember. I don't even know.
Forget that name.
Party is.
Maybe I Steven sitting there and read when some people are in the top about that when Belinfanti went in there and
Yeah, man, Belinfanti never take no
they cuss
foolishness.
him. Say that the whole man, you see.
Yeah, well, that man.
He went tough still, but at least.
He went short, you know, but yo, people afraid of him.
The school and the manners.
Me tell him. He say like, no fighting in our uniform, don't disgrace me. When I go out and want to fight, when I change the uniform.
On top of that, he used to walk, drive out and drive and go look for the pity them on the road. Yeah, he used to do that.
What about the road?
He used to watch it on
But
the road.
he used to always, he make sure say, you know, he asks about Erin Pitney and he know where we up to and he ever know when something go on, like some fighter. And then we have to, when the man come now.
Him here.
Yeah, that's good.
And he might be like one motivational speaker, you know, he used to preach to me and something. Education is key.
Good student come out of Irving.
I like the school already much. I don't know why they make a big deal.
Beach, that new, no?
Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
Monday and Tuesday. And
You know, I never see the new YouTube videos that they make new park in Jamaica.
No.
And for the people and not for the tourists.
That's nice.
Where's the going up top road?
Oh my god, this is so nostalgic. Mount Alberni, yeah, that's what I got here.
But that's at the basic
The high
school
school,
park.
yeah, the top school.
The high school over.
Yeah, I know. Wow. How many times we drive that road here?
Oh my goodness.
One time we didn't even have a little accident up here, remember? But he never did so bad here.
probably a joke.
No man, they showed it.
Really?
Yeah man. They showed and take some of the letters out on the grill. Right after them put it up basically. It was a whole thing on social media.
Right, you see, sometimes we live here, we don't know much we are going, you know, sometimes.
The social media keep it up to date.
Tourists. That's why sometimes you have to know where you tell tourists because sometimes they come here and they know more what you yeah.
So sorry ma'am, we don't have a social media. You're probably more up to date.
Because sometimes they come here and tell about some places where God knows.
But them say online and you never even know they're there.
You never know they exist.
I'm sick of it.
Guys, you're over in Iron Shore.
So where you live now? US?
Oh, Germany.
Germany.
Guys, you have new money now.
Like children
1,000
did want to study.
and 5,000.
They were born here.
And she was born here. And she born in
The other one.
Yeah.
I don't want.
Born in Jamaica.
We're all.
Some of my broast.
Cheers.
So I'm gonna try.
Jamaica. It's a big bars.
Oh, this is good. This is the thing, guys. Our beer.
We have to check out our channel.
Yes,
Guys, this is the best beer ever.
The end.
That's why we come from Germany with the best beer, but this is the best beer. This is the best beer. Try it.
Sure. Rainbow.
Try it. So good. It's perfect for me. It's sweet and
It tastes like Radler.
but better than Radler.
But it reminds me of Radler.
Yes, that's the only beer I can drink, Radler.
That is,
You find it?
Only one you want? In the YouTube?
Yeah. Yeah, subscribe please. Thank you.
yeah, now you have time to watch all the videos. You're allowed to write comments.
And to like and to subscribe and share.
Yeah, and we are going to say for everybody to come here and shop.
Yes guys, give me a speech. Where are you located?
In the Montego Bay. Montego Bay, I'm sure.
Come guys, come and check out this
Tell them the
store.
best price.
Yes, everyone getting here 50% off, half of prices.
You can change money here as well.
Yes.
Rainbow
You
stores.
can get charger like we did.
Then you have to
Hey
check.
guys, come and check them out.
Alright.
Guys, the car won't
Got
start.
everything tough, you know, and the brake tough. Greg. Me there, I am sure, but the car not start.
Tell me what you think of it.
Click, click,
Is it
click,
not
click,
better
click,
than
click,
any
click.
beer you ever tasted?
Eh?
Not better than every beer.
Yeah.
Might have a nice pair of Portugal with it.
It's better than Radler meeting.
Eh? And the brake tight.
Yeah, but better.
Yeah, and only click, 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 click. So me out I am sure when they then sell battery at the something there, gas station. So me have to go down there. Maybe just go down there.
Just so.
Me not understand.
I worked yesterday and we just got here and we never stay long.
Eh? Yeah. So I wonder if them will put it in. So me have to go walk over there. Please. You cannot panic, you know.
No, don't panic, yeah?
Don't panic, don't panic.
Me kind of panic. What you say me to do?
The red and the black wire. I don't see no red and black wire. Yeah, me see some wire there also, but they're not. Aber hat ein Überbrückungskabel. I don't know what that name in English. You know, somebody here's some juice from the
Yeah, jump start.
Exactly.
No, put on jump start connect. You will get something.
So you don't like any if you screw off this or you have to screw it off. And if it be screwed off.
So what you say we do again?
That look like something there.
Eh?
This is red and black.
Me don't like all this thing.
Unless we reach us or we're having battery problems, so we end up at the gas station and try to get a new battery. And hopefully then everything will start again.
Yeah, those are the best place Crossy broke down right crossway from the.
That's all.
Yeah, you look like a rich man, you know, must forget everybody.
There's a poor life that come from, there's some life look rich.
Where you come from?
Poor poverty life.
Here, look here. Oh, you busy? Oh, but you can't just shut up over this and now.
Chad.
Over
and... Hold on,
on that way.
hold on. What are you there?
No, power now, what's it? Yeah, Craig. Where is the certificate? You have one yellow tap, blue tap, and red tap, or one red tap when you do the one.
Out there, red is economy.
First,
Blue is premium and maintenance.
you mustn't be buy this instead, the yellow tap.
Maintenance free. Blossom, how you feel about this crisis thing happening?
Well, it's for a reason. It's just for a reason.
Better than Brookway in the middle of some attraction place.
So true.
Oh, good.
And I'm happy that it's here.
Yeah, we just park up and you just stop and we just alright gas station across the road. Woo. A little gas. Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah. We're ready to go now. Woo. So what's the battery after rally? So guys, never born day in Jamaica, day one. And
No.
Balance it for our life.
yeah, Mr. Donald, thank you so much.
You see why I take off this hole here?
Yeah guys, so that's the thing what we do. We had our amazing breakfast this morning and we just chill out and then we come change little money and go and visit certain people and we just stop here so and yeah, and this happened.
It just happened.
It just happened, guys. So guys, we've made it to the end of another video. This was day one in Jamaica, so stay tuned for what happens after we finally fix this car. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Peace.